The social media accounts of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Prime Minister's office on X got a makeover with photos of the swearing-in ceremony and NDA meeting making an appearance. The official Prime Minister's office account showcases a photo of him bowing to the Constitution of India. This comes after the PM requested BJP leaders, workers and supporters to remove Modi ka parivar suffix from their social media handles. Meanwhile, Congress has credited Rahul Gandhi for the Prime Minister's gesture. Listen to what Rahul Gandhi said about safeguarding the Constitution.
मगर आपने फोटो देखी होगी कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी संविधान को ऐसे पकड़े थे, यूं कर रहे थे ना, देखा आपने? ये आपका काम था, ये आपने करवाया है। देश के प्रधानमंत्री को आपने मैसेज भेजा है कि संविधान को आपने छुआ तो देखो हम आपके साथ क्या करते हैं।
In fact, Congress MP Jairam Ramesh said this is the direct impact of Rahul Gandhi's single-minded focus on protection of Constitution. So, Jairam Ramesh, they're giving the credit to Rahul Gandhi, and Ankit is joining us with more details on that. Yes, Ankit.
Well, I mean, the theme is not new, Swati. In fact, if you listen to the opposition, anytime over the last 8 or so years, they've been trying to protect the Constitution, whether it's the left parties or the Congress or the RJD or any other party. But this time, here's what has happened. The PMO India Twitter handle or the X handle has changed its face. This is the cover photo. There he is, what you spoke about, the Prime Minister paying obeisance to the Constitution, and also no longer, of course, Modi ka parivar. That was never the case with the PMO handle. But Jairam Ramesh replies, this is the direct impact of Rahul Gandhi's single-minded focus on protection of the Constitution as the defining issue of the 2024 elections. Whether that is true or not is arguable. In fact, at many occasions, the Congress has been criticized for not having an agenda apart from saving the Constitution. Jairam Ramesh appears to believe that this is what made the difference this time around. However, Rahul Gandhi also did and said a lot of other things, and there was a multifaceted election that we had on our hands.
Right. Ankit, thank you very much for taking us through that post. We have Pragya joining us as well on the broadcast. Pragya, Congress wants to give credit to Rahul Gandhi. In fact, the opposition during the entire campaigning for 2024 elections did say that they came together to protect the Constitution because the Constitution was under attack by the BJP.
Well, Swati, I would say that whole election was a battle of narratives as well. And Congress, in fact, many of the BJP leaders had also agreed that BJP lost many seats because of this disinformation campaign that they're saying that there were false narrative against Constitution being, changed totally by the Modi government if it comes to power. The Nara of 400 power, everyone was in the Congress was saying that this is because they wanted to change the Constitution. And at many points, Congress had been able to, in fact, convince the voters at one point. And this is the analysis of the BJP as well, that this disinformation campaign had hurt them. And the changing of Prime Minister's cover photograph, where he is going down to the Constitution, this is of the NDA BJP Legislative Party meeting, where he was chosen as the leader of NDA, and everyone extended support. And after that, they all went to President saying that we are choosing him as the President of our NDA. Prime Minister of the NDA and leader of the NDA, in fact. So, this particular cover picture is very important, is very symbolic, where it is being seen that Prime Minister wants to reiterate its commitment to Constitution. In fact, Prime Minister in 2014 had said that he is guided, the only book he is guided by is the Constitution.
Absolutely. Pragya, thank you for getting us the details. In fact,